Time to say goodbye to the Instagram username you picked a decade ago. In this video, we'll show you the simple steps to make a change. Your followers will not be affected, and will still find you through your display name. So let's get started. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and click on the Edit Profile button. In the username field, enter your new desired name. You'll have to make sure it's unique, less than 30 characters, and containing only common characters. Then, tap on the Done button to confirm your change. If you are on desktop, log into your account, and click your profile icon in the top right corner. Enter the Edit Profile section, and click on See More in the Account Center. Select your Instagram profile, and click on the username. There, enter the name you like. Once you're satisfied, and Instagram doesn't flag the name as already taken, click on Done. That's it. Keep in mind that once you change your username, your previous one becomes available for others to claim. It also changes your account URL, which means any website linking to your Instagram account will now return an error screen. So, make sure you update your links on any website. If Instagram won't let you change your username, it's likely due to the fact that it doesn't meet their requirements or because it is already taken. Another reason could be the app caching. To fix it, simply go to your app settings, and clear the cache. You can restart the phone if the problem persists. Alternatively, uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram is the silver bullet that always works. And to thank you for watching until the end, here is a tip on how to remove a follower on Instagram. Head to your profile, and tap the Followers section. Locate the user you wish to remove, and next to it, press the Remove button. Once done, they won't be following you anymore. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can visit our full playlist of Instagram tutorials.